Creating a comfortable home office allows you to focus your energy on work with fewer distractions and might even make you more productive. At the heart of this setup is a good desk to keep you organized and efficient. The Uplift Desk Bamboo stands out as a premium choice for those seeking a versatile and ergonomic workspace solution. There are many home office desks to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best home office desks from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Nathan James Jacqueline Modern Home Office Writing Desk. The Nathan James Jacqueline Modern Home Office Writing Desk is a versatile and stylish piece of furniture that combines form and function seamlessly. Featuring a quality engineered wood top painted in crisp white, this desk brings a contemporary touch to any space. The built-in drawer provides convenient storage for your keyboard and office supplies, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Supported by sturdy pinewood legs, this desk offers both stability and a touch of Scandinavian-inspired design, making it perfect for small spaces. Whether used as a writing table, living room side table, hallway furniture, or vanity console, its versatility shines through. The Telos computer desk can comfortably accommodate a 28-inch monitor, inspiring productivity in your home office setup. Number 2. Topsky Computer Desk with Bookshelf. The Topsky Computer Desk with Bookshelf is a robust and versatile workspace solution, backed by a 1-year warranty and crafted with CARB PD2 class board for office use. Its exceptional sturdiness comes from a 1.18 thick desktop that's both waterproof and scratch-resistant, supported by metal legs capable of bearing up to 500 lbs. This ensures your valuable equipment remains secure on a stable surface. The spacious desktop accommodates various monitor and laptop setups, along with ample room for work projects and office supplies. A multifunctional shelf with 11.4 height clearance and 8.46 depth provides storage for headphones, routers, and power strips. Cable management is made easy with a metal grommet hole cover featuring a flip-open design for neat and safe wire routing. Number 3. Hayocean Folding Home Office Table Desk. The Hayocean Folding Home Office Table Desk is a versatile and space-saving solution for modern living. Its smart, wall-mounted design allows for easy installation in any room, from offices to bedrooms, maximizing floor space while providing a functional work area. The desk features a foldable mechanism with a simple 90-degree release arm, allowing you to collapse it when not in use. Crafted from high-quality MDF, this durable workstation boasts a beautiful spray-painted finish that's comfortable to touch and visually appealing. The desktop offers ample space for your work essentials, complemented by open compartments for storage. Perfect for small spaces, this contemporary-style desk transforms any room into a productive environment without compromising on style. Number 4. Sidukal Mobile Standing Desk. The Sidukal Mobile Standing Desk is a versatile and ergonomic solution for modern workspaces. This portable desk features adjustable height from 27.5 to 45.3, allowing users to easily switch between sitting and standing positions. 4 lockable rubber wheels ensure smooth mobility and stable positioning. Designed to promote better posture and reduce back and neck pain, this desk encourages a healthier work environment by combating the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Constructed with thickened metal and high-quality MDF board, it boasts a robust 66 lbs weight capacity. The spacious 23.62 x 23.62 desktop, complemented by sturdy side hooks, offers ample room for work essentials and additional storage. Its multifunctional design makes it suitable for various settings, serving as an office workstation, classroom podium, over bed table, or living room end table. Number 5. Uplift Desk Bamboo. The Uplift Desk Bamboo is a cutting-edge electric height-adjustable desk designed for optimal ergonomics and productivity. Its impressive height range accommodates users of various statures, offering a versatile workspace solution. Powered by dual German-made motors and featuring advanced legs, this desk boasts a robust lifting capacity and swift movement. The sophisticated anti-collision system and included wire management tray ensures safety and tidiness. One-touch height adjustment, controlled by an intuitive memory keypad, allows for easy preset heights and customizable settings. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, the thick desktop combines exceptional durability with eco-friendliness. The low-vac UV-cured finish and wire routing grommet covers enhance its sleek design. Backed by an industry-leading all-inclusive warranty, the Uplift Desk Bamboo represents a long-term investment in your workspace, offering unparalleled quality, functionality, and peace of mind. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.